Hello Giddy buddies, welcome to the new video. So this would be a very short video. I'll show you area on the Ferozepur road where the flyover is already been completed, and it looks very clean and neat and tidy. They have just planted trees on the dividers on the road, not on the footpath but on the center of the roads, on the dividers. And yesterday it was raining, so because of that the roads look very clean and nice. And we are just crossing area. You can see on the left hand side there's a school. That school is Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, BRS Ngr. This is BRS Ngr. And on the left hand side there is a, I don't know what we will call it, a mall or plaza, but its name is Grand Walk. And the first shop here is Burger King. Let me show you. After this car cross, that is Burger King. Wait man, I'm behind you. There is H&M showroom, American Eagle, Forever 21, The Collective, Pizza Hut, Bata showroom, Capsons. And if you go straight, there is bigger mall, very big mall than this. That is Wave Mall. In that mall there is I guess there is cinema. I'm not sure. I guess it's Cinepolis. No, not Cinepolis. I think it's let me show you man, I'm not sure. It's been like ages I have been not watching movies, especially not this far. Don't come this far now. This is Way Mall, and there is nothing written here man. Which cinema here? Sorry guys, I forgot. You can Google if you want to know. And after that there is big building I don't know the name. And after that the PNB branch looks very eye-catching. Looks very amazing. You can see. You can see PNB branch. And I'll go straight. And this would be very short video. It's already I guess 3 minutes now. The place here is very clean now, as the construction is already been done here. The street lights on the under the flyover, it's looking good, very good man. Saved some steel over here. And if we go straight from here, there is another mall. The mall we just crossed is Wave Mall, and if we go straight, then there is another mall. Let me show you that also. Yeah, this is the mall I guess. This is MBD mall. There is Radisson Blue also on the near the mall also. I guess it's in the mall only. Radisson Blue. Yeah, it's Radisson Blue. There is Reliance Smart, Cinepolis inside. Sure, oh, not the showroom, a cinema. Yeah, Cinepolis Cinema. KG Hotel, T5 on the left hand side, HDFC Bank on the left hand side. No, not the bank, that is only HDFC. So I'll take a U-turn from here. I came for you to show you this little area. I'm keeping this video short and sweet. Maybe some of you guys don't have time, or you can't watch some so long videos. I usually have done in first 1 or 2, I guess, videos were like 20 minutes and more. So this video I'm keeping it short. So if you like the video, please give a like, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Until then, see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.